The mother was bedridden. I tell again, bedridden. Cannot walk. Okay. She know about Shirito through her sister. So she started giving her mother 9 Shirito a day. 3 morning, 3 afternoon, 3 night. Okay. Consume for 1 week. After the mother can go shopping, everything.
Wow.
80-year-old. I will post. I actually post the TikTok yet because I know it nicely do. Once I post, you all can see. So 9 Shirito a day.
How
really,
long she
really.
took?
Huh?
How long she took?
1 week.
1 week.
Wow.
Amazing.
Really good. That is the best I saw so far.
But what issue she has? I
Yeah.
think like just old age, is it?
Old age.
No, my mother got infection, food infection. She got food infection and then after that she just bedridden after that. Put on antibiotics, all didn't work. So